Rather than dealing with a local and remote database, we will create just one and use it locally for development as well as in our production environment. This will be done at render.com since you have already created an account and created a web service. When returning to render.com, click the GitHub option to sign in. Once registered or logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard. In this video, we are assuming that you are creating the database service. Be aware that on the free plan, there are use limitations and you will want to stay within those bounds. On the dashboard, you can choose the New button or find and click on the PostgreSQL card's New PostgreSQL button. In either case, you will be taken to the screen to define the database. I suggest using the same name for the name, database, and user fields. Keep names short. Since these are shared servers, random values may be added, so watch carefully for what the actual names are when done. From the region drop-down, pick the region closest to your location. You can leave the version number as is. Leave the Datadog key empty. Leave the instance type as free and note the limits shown. Scroll down and click the Create Database button. A new screen will appear that contains the connection information, which will be covered in the next video. Be aware that you cannot use the service until it becomes active. Look for the status indicator to say available. When that appears, the service is ready. Once the database service is active, you will connect it to the web service so the two can interact. Make sure you are in the database service and the Info tab on the left is highlighted. Scroll down until you find the Connections area. Locate the internal database URL line and click the Copy button. This will copy the URL to your computer's clipboard. Click the Dashboard option at the top of the screen. Click the web service that you should have already created. When it opens, click the Environment option on the left. Click the Add Environment Variable button. Type database_URL, all caps, without the quotes, into the key text box. Click into the value text box, right-click, and paste the URL from the database service. Click the Save Changes button. There should now be three environment variables: database URL, node env, and node version. Before ending, on the left are four items: info, which is what is currently being displayed; metrics, this is where you can track your use compared to the limits of the free account; recovery, which is not available for the free account; and logs, which shows a running stream of actions occurring within the service.